Hello guys, welcome to my wife's garden. Today we have a little project in hand. We have to move the dirt from here to there and put it exactly where she wants it, the way she wants it. So I just thought I would try a little practice for my YouTube channel, a little photography, a little videography, try to see if I have a wide enough angle to get what I need to get. And let's move this dirt from here to there. So the first thing you have to do is you have to put the dirt in the shovel, put it in the wheelbarrow. And you have to do this repetitively over and over and over. Now, I am practicing my voice to see if I can make my voice sound better than it is, because I really don't do a lot of talking. I don't do voiceovers. You've heard my videos, so I need to improve my channel. So how can I improve my channel when I still have work to do? Well, this is what I came up with. We got to move this dirt from here to there and get this work done so that I can work on my channel. Now this is very low-tech work here, but that's my job for the day, Mr. Low-Tech Worker. We got to get the work done for my wife because she has work to do too. So guys, my task, as I told you before, is to move dirt from over there to over here. So this is the dirt that has to go here. Now, it's very low tech, requires a low skill level per se, but actually there is some people that have a lot better skill at this than I do. I am actually not skilled in the placement of dirt. But practice makes you better. And my wife thinks that I could get to be really good at moving dirt. So, you know guys, if you're married, you know what I'm talking about. We must do our part. It's a part that we need to fulfill. Now, you think I'm just moving dirt, but I'm also practicing vocals because I'm not happy with my voice. But to this day, I haven't needed my voice to sound better until I started this YouTube channel. Now, I have a kind of sinusy voice that is kind of, I don't know, everybody has a thing they don't like about themselves, and I would say my voice is something that I would like to improve on. So if I could improve at my old age, can you improve your voice when you're already over the hill and on the way down the hill? Well, every day is a new day, and every day I think we should try something new, because we're not done yet. We are here doing what needs to be done, and we're not giving up and just sitting on the couch watching TV. I don't find any, of course I watch a lot of YouTube, but I consider that research. Yeah, watching YouTube is, you get to choose what you want to watch. Technical videos, all that sort of videos. And if you watch technical videos, maybe it helps you out. It might help you out with the certain things that you're dealing with, if you're having technical issues. Now, I like photography, but I never was a great photographer. And these guys that work in the garden, even watching a garden video, some people's photography is just amazing. Catching everything on camera. Now, I need to refill this wheelbarrow for another load. And I'm gonna go grab another load, guys. I'll be right back. Now, I don't like group speaking, speaking in front of people. And I'm not so much as, you know, exercising talent here, because I never said I had any talent. But maybe we can take a lack of talent and turn it into a little bit of talent. So it's looking like I'm getting more talent at moving dirt. Once you start moving the dirt, here comes my wife. She's going to start moving some dirt too.
Okay. And then it's going to spread it.
She's going to spread it. And this looks like my last load for this area. Which works for me. So I don't know how the wind is going to turn out on the microphone, but that's an experience too. And the technical side of this is I'm really curious on audio drift. And if you don't know what audio drift is, since I don't have a camera with a microphone built, a microphone port so that I can plug in an auxiliary microphone, I have to use an external microphone on a separate recorder. Now that separate recorder, by the time you get on a long video, the synchronization with your voice and your mouth is not in sync with the camera, which makes it very difficult for people to synchronize the voice, which makes having a camera with audio going directly into the camera so much better. It just speeds things up and helps you to get your content done without having to try to do technical stuff on the computer by doing auxiliary voice synchronization with everything. So there is definitely a bonus when you have a voice recorder going straight into the camera versus having a little separate voice recorder that you have to sync. Now, I don't know if you can hear my wife. She just gave me some direction on where to put the dirt. She wants a little more over here, and she wants some more around this plant. Okay. You're welcome, baby. Does that look a lot better?
Yeah.
See, guys, we can learn. We can learn to move dirt. We can learn to move dirt better. This was a good example of moving dirt better while practicing voiceovers, while practicing photography. Now, if I really could photograph all the stuff that my wife does in the garden, it would be a whole nother channel. And she could have a whole channel going just to the stuff that she plants and grows. But she does a wonderful job.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.